Hi there everyone, it's Misty here. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I have an update for a pan for Walt. This is a Walt Disney project pan. It is a Fantastic Ladies collab. I believe it was created by Kayla and Bere. I feel like I had this issue when I did the intro and you told me yes or no and now I can't remember, so I apologize if that's wrong. This actually started way back in July 17th, and it goes through July 17th, 2025. There are 100 prompts. It is rolling style. Pick as many or as few as you want. I believe I initially brought in 10, but I backed that down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. So I think we will pull in 4 to make it an even 10. Maybe I'll pull in more than that since nine. Maybe we'll do 9 and make it an even 15. Okay, let me put my glasses on. Let's see something. So I got number 3, jump in. So this is all about Disney movies from the past, from the present, princess movies, original movies, all sorts of things. So yeah. So the first one is jump in, a product you had no hesitation on buying. I picked a CoverGirl Yummy Gloss. Now the one I picked, I hate the flavor and I hate the scent. So that one's been decluttered. I have a different one that I forgot to grab, but I will share that with you once. My goal is to finish it. It's about halfway there. So I don't guess you really need to see a lip gloss, right? Do you maybe? Do you want to see a lip gloss? Let me know. And I'll try to remember to bring it for you guys next update. Monthly updates if I didn't mention that. Number 5, Camp Rock, a product you fought to buy, hard, fine, sold out fast, etc. And I mentioned that I didn't get the Winter Wonderland palette when it very first came out. I had to get it on the 2nd when it pre-ordered. And this is the one from, I am painting all of my cosmetic brushes, I think. So I bought in the shade Wonderland because it's broken. I didn't repress it and I haven't taken a picture of it, but I've cleaned out almost the whole top. This is beautiful. It's more of like a topper shade, or like an inner corner shade. So but I really like it. And that palette, this is the perfect time of year to get some use out of that palette. So that is in to finish. The rest of them, they are in for whatever number of the prompt they are. So yes. So except for this one, number 23, Sharpay's Fabulous Adventure, a product from a brand based out of NYC. Shiseido was one of the options, so I brought in this. This is their Miracle Eye Cream, Benefit Wrinkle Smoothing Eye Cream. My goal is to finish this. I had just started this when this project went live, and this is what we're dealing with. I love this. I use it every single day. It's probably one of my most favorite eye creams. I did pick up a new one. I don't know if I'll put it in a project yet, from a different company when I was ordering for Black Friday. But yeah, this is in to finish. Yay. Then we have Race to Witch Mountain, an alien in your collection. And I brought in this. This is a lip liner from Makeup Revolution. I said I don't really wear lip liners. So my goal is to finish this though, and I will mark this. I finally have my notebook set up, so I will mark this on a sheet of paper and we will track it that way. It is sharpenable. Next, Frozen, a product that is cooling or a snow winter themed product. I think I brought in a Super Shock, but I decided to bring in this. This is the Revlon Color Stay Endless Glow. The Revolution lip liner is 87 uses, or until it is done. I forgot, or if it finishes first. This is for 92 uses. This is gorgeous. I mentioned that before. I love it. It's so pretty. I'm not wearing it today, but I've worn it before. Every time I wore makeup, I was wearing it. It's a really pretty kind of iridescent. It's shifty and it's just pretty. It's a pretty formula. It looks pretty on the skin. I can't recommend that enough. So that's in for 92 uses. We'll see how far we get. And then last but not least, number 98, Cruella de Vil, a more elegant or fashionable product. So I brought in this. This is the Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. And since this is number 98, this is in for 98 uses. So let me find my phone. amidst all of this, I'm going to pull it pretty random and I'm going to clear everything out. Clear history, max number, we'll do 100. So I'm going to do 9. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I think I lost that. 8, 9. I may have lost count. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I got 10. That's all right. I'm sure one of these may be a duplicate. Okay, so let me find the prompts and then I'm going to go ahead and find my products and then I will come back and share the prompt and the products with you. So give me just a couple of minutes. It'll be a couple of minutes for me. It'll be literally 1 second for you guys. Number 21, the Sweet Life movie, a product that is new to your collection and you're still testing out, or skincare product from a brand that is dermatologist tested recommended. I'm going to bring in this. This is a Lamora nude eyeshadow palette that I picked up off Amazon. It's really pretty. I did a get ready with me video using it. And so 21 uses for 21. I don't know if I'll try to hit pan in one of these or what, but this is in for 21 uses. Next, Girl versus Monster, a product that you are terrified to pan. Listen, I've been working on that Too Faced mini bronzer for 2 years now, and I haven't made very much progress at all. So this is the Revolution Bronze and Glow. I can't remember who sent this to me, but thank you very much. I am going to use the contour side 28 times. It's a really pretty shade. It's a really pretty palette. It smells like chocolate latte. I'll never pan it, ever. And you can't even see it. So, yeah, it's... I've always had the best intentions for painting a bronzer, and that's another reason why I want to kind of go through what I have, because it's like I probably have 7 lifetimes worth of bronzers. It's funny because I went back and started watching Jessica's How Many Years experiment videos a few months ago, and I was like, I really need to sit down and get that done, but I haven't yet. So anyway, in for 28 uses, 30 uses, Cloud9, a product you can't use your normal techniques with. This one was the hardest for me, but then I remembered this. This is the fruit lighter from Cleona. This was part of the Dragon Fruit and Emily Violet Marie collaboration. This is supposed to be a highlighter for your face. These do not work on my face. So I can't use my normal technique with it if it was like a blush or a blush lighter, because it just doesn't work like that for me. So this is in for 30 uses. We'll see what we do. I am painting a purple blush, so maybe I'll put it on top of that. Number 40 was Fantasia, a controversial brand or product. So I'm going to bring in another eyeshadow. This is a Luxie shadow. This one called Ube. And if you don't know, Luxie basically took everybody's money and ran away. And I don't think anybody has been able to get their money back. It's a really pretty eyeshadow. It's not showing up right now. But my goal is to use that 40 times or to hit pan. I'm going to preface that. So if I hit pan first, then I'll move it out. But if it takes 40 uses to hit pan, then it takes 40 uses to hit pan. Number 42, it's either Bambi, a brown product, gray for Thumper, or black for Flower. And I am bringing in this. I'm actually not even working on a primer right now. This is the LA Girl Pro Prep Smoothing Face Primer. Oh, I lied. I already had one of these. Never mind. Anyway, so my goal is 42 uses. That'll probably use this up. So cheers. Next, we have the Santa Claus. This was another one that was hard for me. a product you bought or were given as a Christmas gift, I decided to bring in this. This is the Revolution Love Island lipstick. This came in a lip kit with the lip liner. So I figured what better time than to use them both at the same time. So this is in a 64 uses for number 64. Number 72 is Dinosaur, an Otis product, any category in your collection, bringing in more eyeshadow. This is the Profusion Mauves palette. This is probably one of my oldest palettes in my collection. This is so pretty. Like, this is my neutral, my kind of neutrals. So it says 72 uses. So my goal is going to be to hit pan in the remaining shimmers. So this one and this one, and possibly hit pan in a matte. We'll just wait and see. I am going to use them 72 times, like the palette in total 72 times, with the specific focus on those two shimmers. So this is in for Dinosaur. Another hard one for me. Princess Diary, a product that changed your life or your makeup routine. Now this is, Alex knows. This is the MAC Glow Play Blush in Blush Please. Listen, I listened to Alex talk about these, and I finally got a couple, and then I had to buy more. There's still a couple of colors I need, but I'm trying to hold back because do I need another blush? No, I don't need another blush. So these are so good. Like, normally I wouldn't say, yeah, go spend out, you know, money for MAC on a blush, but these are so good. If you can find them on sale, then more power to you, but I paid full price for this, and I'm okay with that. So this is for 75 uses. That may end up finishing this one. So we'll see. So yeah, 75 uses or finish. And then, is this the last one? Last but not least, Enchanted. How does she know you love her? A new product to your collection. This is the Cosmic Brushes Sinister palette, and I'm gonna bring in the shade Fear. It's this one right here. It's just like a neutral. I don't call them crease shades because I don't use a neutral in my crease, but yeah, it's really pretty. It's basically my skin tone. My goal is going to be 85 uses or pan, whichever one comes first. And by the time I'm done, this palette's basically going to be panned. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. That was a lot. This was a lot longer video than I had anticipated. But yeah, this is a fun one. If you love Disney, love Disney movies, then be sure to jump up on this. This started in July, so there's only what, 7 months left. So if you want to jump on it, jump on it. Again, it's rolling style. Pick as many or as few as you want. You don't have to do all of them. Set your own goals, etc. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today, friends. I really do appreciate you. Be sure to say hi in the comments. Let me know what you think of everything that I picked. I have a feeling that I am going to be frustrated with all the blushes and bronzers I'm trying to pan. Listen, listen, I own a lot, and that's the whole point of painting. So we'll just see what happens, but that's it. Thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate you. Don't forget to say hi in the comments. Have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are. I love your faces, and I'll see you in my next video.